In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect on each screen, and how to complete the process securely so you can receive payouts without hassle. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct account you use for TikTok Shop. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. This brings up your account options and settings. Next, choose your orders. This section doesn't just show purchases, it also includes important payment settings related to TikTok Shop. Inside your orders, tap Payment Methods. This is where you manage how money moves in and out of your TikTok Shop, including adding a bank account for payouts. Now tap Link Bank Account. TikTok will show a list of supported banks. Select your bank from the list to proceed. You'll see a secure login window provided by the bank or its trusted verification partner. Enter the same username and password you use with your bank and follow any additional security checks your bank requires. These could include a one-time code, app confirmation, or security questions. Keep your information private and only enter it in this secure prompt within the app. For the smoothest experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection and avoid switching away from the app while the verification runs. After you complete the bank's verification, you'll be taken back to TikTok to finish up. Continue following the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that your bank account has been successfully linked. If the app asks for a final confirmation, review the details and agree to complete the process. To double-check later, return to Profile, tap the three horizontal lines, open your orders, and go back to Payment Methods. Your linked bank should appear there, confirming everything is set. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Features can vary by region and account type, so what you see may look slightly different, but the path remains the same. That's it. You opened TikTok, went to Profile, used the menu, selected your orders, chose payment methods, linked your bank, and followed the prompts to finish. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to receive payouts through TikTok Shop with confidence.